Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called I Want. The chapter number is 4. This chapter I Want is from NCERT syllabus, class 2, subject English. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called self-created dictionary. So what are the innovations behind this innovative idea, self-created dictionary? The innovation is to enhance the vocabulary skills of the students by creating a dictionary which is related to the concepts in the lesson. So this is the innovation behind this innovative idea, self-created dictionary. So what are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objective is to revise the concepts of vocabulary. This is the objective of this innovative idea. So how we are going to implement this idea? We are going to implement by informing the students to go through the lesson, to read out the lesson carefully at home. Before that, ensure that all the students have thorough knowledge and clear understanding of the lesson. Now, ask the students to note down the difficult words in an old notebook. Also inform the students, you can ask your parents for the meaning of those words or else you can look into the dictionary for the meaning. And now inform the students to write down the meanings in the same old notebook. For example, difficult word strong, meaning powerful. Difficult word blows, meaning movement of air. In this way, ask the students to write down the difficult words and the meaning in the old notebook. On the next day, initiate a discussion among the students about the difficult words and the meaning. Appreciate the students and motivate the students to use new words in their day-to-day conversation. So in this way, the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, self-created dictionary? The learning outcomes are the students able to identify characters and sequence of events in a story or in a poem. Also, the students able to express verbally, able to ask questions about the sequence of events and the characters in a story. The students able to collect information, collect records and interpret simple information. The students able to respond comprehension questions in a story. The students able to develop their core life skills such as critical thinking, decision making and effective communication. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve their learning skills with the help of this innovative idea, self-created dictionary. Experiential learning takes a student from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, self-created dictionary. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.